Last throw. 38 seconds. Pasok ulit. 55, 39, 34 seconds. Yocapo. Nice deflect. 24 seconds. 24 seconds, 14 seconds to shoot. Nice tilan pa. Same ball.
Rebound by number 66, to Losada. Ito na si Mr. Losada. Tulakay.
17 seconds.
Number 11, wala tinamaan.
Bell! 8. Mahaba pa yan. 4. Wala pa rin.
Number 20 drives.
Napon agad, may oras pa, haba pa. Score natin.
Losada.
55.
Wala.
Konti na lang yan. Papasok ng 4th quarter.
Number 22 points. Number 5 to number 4. Good one.
Okay, back to the ball game. 4th and last quarter, speed deck ball.
Number 11, 2 points.
Fourth and last quarter. Hey, let's go. Parawan, jersey number 83. Joko Lab shoe, biglang pukol ng press.
Good job.
No good. Coach G on the rebound. Coach G, Coach Donado. Donado.
Foul number 66.
Dadia. To Coach G for 3. No good. Good. 14 seconds to shoot. Castillo, good for 2. 57-42.
10 seconds to shoot.
Parawan, jersey number 83. Pass to Teocapo. Jersey number 12 for 3. Yes, sir! 3 points. 57-45.
Foul number 66, second personal foul, second team foul.
Ng mga nakaputi. Jersey number 2. Coach G, 14 seconds to shoot. Bakaban.
First try, no good. Tingnan natin ang pangalawa ni number 15.
Jersey number 22. Good for 2. 59-45. Jersey number 68. Pass to number 12. Maravilla. Maravilla for 3. Bounce, no good.
Nice pass, number 11. Wala.
Coach G, 2 on 2. Dadia.
Number 25, 2 points.
Jersey number 68, not be sure warning for graduate. First team foul. Substitution.
Ay, son rep.
Substitution. Okay. Substitution.
Number 4.
Okay.
14 seconds to shoot.
Okay. Pasok ang isa. 16-45, 15 ulit. Okay, ready?
Pass way to number 4. Oy, oy, oy. Traveling violation.
Parawan. Haba pa talaga to. 7 minutes pa. 7 minutes 35. Jersey number 12. Bates. Wala. Presenta 14.
Number 66, 2 points.
47.
Score for roll.
Jersey number 2. Coach G. Bounce to Dadia. Bates. Ludano.
Number 7.
Pinerio on the rebound. Pass break to Maravilla. Maravilla. Good for 2.
10 seconds to shoot.
SBO.
Yan.
Score natin 61-49. Konti na lang.
Number 66, 2 points. Score 6-4.
Okay, back to the ball game.
Number 4, cross pass to number 20. Sumubok ng 3. Wale. Ito na si number 66.
Jersey number 2. Coach G. Dribbling the ball. Gana papasahan. 14 seconds to shoot. Go.
Ito na si number 4.
8.
Number 66, side step. Foul, basket.
Buzzer maririnig. Good. Reset to
Bruce Balder.
Nakuha na ni Maravilla. Yan na. 2-on-1. And there's a foul. Shot. Running shot. Coach G.
First personal foul, first team foul.
First team foul. Wala pang penalty. Substitution. Sige. Coach G out.
Bonus try score.
Jersey number 2.
Score 9-4.
Pushak yan. Wala ang unang tira. Okay, ready. Last draw. 6 minutes. Pasok ang isa. 50, 61, 11. Hinabol na. Mahaba pa yan. 5 minutes and 50 seconds. Makabando.
Ito na si number 5.
2-point shot. 63, Priese ulit.
To number 66, 2 points.
Maravilla.
11-4.
No good. Jersey number 48. 4-3. No good. Rebound, Makabando. Jersey number 13.
Foul number 66.
Makabando, kick out. Jersey number 2.
Sa iyo lahat ang foul par.
Bounce.
Third personal foul, third team foul.
Castillo, good for 2. 65-50.
First try is good.
Sa 15. Jersey number 17, good for 2.
Tingnan natin ang pangalawa ni number 20.
Last 5 minutes, mahaba pa yan. Ako, marami pang pwedeng mangyari dyan. Jersey number 13, Daddy Yap, sumabit. Jersey number 15, Pederio. Pederio foul.
Number 11, wala.
First personal foul, second team foul. Bonus shot.
10 seconds and counting tayo.
67.
5 seconds.
4 minutes, 24 seconds. Jersey number 12.
Saktong-sakto yan, basket.
Kanino napunta? Fast break, napunta kay Dalia.
Score 11-8.
4 minutes, 5 seconds. Rodado. Jersey number. Nexus round. 14 seconds to shoot. Just my excuse. 10 seconds. Nakuha na.
Back to the ball game.
Parawan. 2-on-1. Bigs. Grabe naman yun. Wala na lang. Reset to 14. Parawan. 4-3. Wala pa rin. Jersey number 2. Fast break. Yan na si Makabato. Nalibre na. Wala pa rin. Reset to 14. Yun lang. Substitution. Nado out. Number 8. Sab. May sabar, rep. Sab. Sino? Papalitan. Sige, natak mo yan. Game.
Pasok yan.
Ay, oras. Tumatakbo. Running time tayo. Jersey number Parawan, 83. Maravilla, Bigs. Maravilla, 4-3. No good. Yun lang, wala. Last 2 minutes,
2
48
points.
seconds.
Change favor tayo. 12-11.
Okay, jersey number 2. Number 2.
10 seconds to shoot.
Pass to jersey number 18. Back to number 2. 10 seconds to shoot. Steal. Maravilla. Pass break. Yung kapo. Saktong-sakto lang. Ay, wala. Yun lang. Jersey number 13. Macabando. Pass to jersey number Castillo sa ilalim. In and out. Wala. Maravilla on the rebound.
Foul jersey number
Maravilla, wala, kanya pa rin, wala pa rin.
number 7.
Jersey number 2, last 2 minutes. 1 minute 50.
Number 81, Wale.
Jersey number 2, jersey number 18, libre for 3. Walang kaharang-harang, yes.
Time out!
1 minute and 38 seconds.
Team Lakay Assassin.
Foul, substitution. Substitution.
Back to the
Jersey number
ball.
18. Tayo. Third personal foul. Second team foul. Kanila pa rin. 14 seconds to shoot. Number 12, nabitawan. 1 minute 27. Jersey number 13. 4-3. No good.
Number 81. What a spin move by number 81. Wala. Losada, foul basket.
Good for 2.
Foul jersey number 13.
Rest. 55.
First personal foul, second team foul.
Jersey number 18, 54 seconds. Foul. Jersey number 15, Fidelio. Second personal foul. Warning for penalty. 51 seconds, 14 seconds to shoot.
Number 81. Wala.
Pani Maravilla, 50 seconds. 4-3. No good. Rebound by Castillo at De Ocampo.
2 points, number 15.
Wala pa rin. 34 seconds.
2 points, number 13.
4-3. No good. Rebound Maravilla. 2 points. 57. 24 seconds. 20 seconds. Ingat-ingat na lang.
Alley-oop. Wala. Rebound by number 81.
Congratulations! Kayo ang papasok sa ating quarterfinals. SBR.
Sembol tayo.
Semifinals pala. Naghihintay ang Cebuanos at saka ang Saints.
2 points, number 13. Time out! Hawks.
Okay, ating next game. Pinatubo versus Squid Princess. Nasaan kayo? Our best player of the game. Jersey number 22, Lugano.
Number 20.
Okay, our next game.
Number 15. Hooks drill tayo. Two points, Hooks. Walang depensa. Ang Lakay Assassin.
Okay, our next game. Wala na sa
Number 20.
wala.
Drives. Wale.
Nasa ng Queen Princess. Sa akin. Sabi ni Madam, may player kayo.
Ay, huwag niyo iwasan!
Ito na si number 20. To number 4. 10 seconds to shoot. Nice pass to number 12. 2 points. Score 2019. 1 point lead by team Nova Hooks. There's a foul, jersey number 8. First personal foul, first team foul. All right, 2 points.
Daddy ha, kung darating dito, si Daddy. Nagbibihis, huwag mong pari-pari pag dumating dito.
Number 20 ngayon, but there's a foul, jersey number 12. First personal foul, first team foul. Number 15. 10 seconds to shoot. Back to 14 tayo. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. There's a foul, jersey number 13. Second personal foul, 13 foul. 10 seconds. First try no good. Pasok yan. That's the end of our second quarter. Score 22-20 in favor of Team Lakay Assassin. Fourteen seconds to shoot. Rebound by number 4, but last touch ka, bossing. 14 seconds shot clock, 14 seconds to shoot.
Ni Barya yung dala-dala ko ano. Ha?
Pinatay ko na.
Inuwi ni ano, ni Barya. Doon kay Jordan. Kinuha ni Jordan? Wala ko naman mag-iinumin pa nila kaya pinala ko eh.
Doon ka, George.
Ako pa rin nawala na stock sa bahay ah.
Yung vodka.
Yung vodka lang. Hindi ako kung anong tama ng vodka na yun. Ladies na yata yun. Basta ano, check daw na. Ha? Tignan daw na.
Alanganin daw na.
Number 4, 2 points.
Eh, yung katapat ni Roses mo eh. Roses.
Number 8 to number 5, Wale.
Anong player sila no?
To number 8 to number 57.
May laro sila.
Number 8, walang tinamahan.
Lalo naman ang kita kagaling lang din sa podcast. Last nila.
Saan si Fidelio?
66, 2 points. There's a foul, jersey number 25. Second personal foul, first team foul. Number 4 to number 66. Wale. Ito na si number 57. 2 points. Score 24-24. Nice steal by number 7. Number 4, Wale. To number 66, Biggs. Jump shot. Wala. Ito na si Coach Rokoy. 2 points. Grabe naman yun. Change favor tayo. 26-24. Ito na si number 4 to number 5, grabe. There's a foul, jersey number 7. Second personal foul, second team foul. 14 seconds shot clock, 14 seconds to shoot. Number 4, wala yun, rebound by number 8. Pass break, uy, yan. Ito na si number 4 to number 57. To coach, 2 points. Ito na si number 8. Good yan. Number 8, 2 points. Sige, pwede na tayo sumap.
Dati bawal mag-shot sa third quarter eh.
5 minutes.
Sinago na rules no?
Pilihan kasi yan.
Coach. Good yan. Rebound by number 66. Ito na si number 4. To number 5, Lakay. To number 4, 10 seconds to shoot. Up. 10 seconds. Yes, up. Time out! Hawks. Back to the real game. 10 seconds shot clock, 10 seconds to shoot. Two points down. Score 28-28. Ito na si number 15. Nice move. Foul basket yan ni number 15. Number 66. Apat ka na, bossing. Apat ka na. Sub tayo. Sub. Apat na yun. Pasok, chef.
Oo, dito naglalaro ko ah. Ganun.
Ha?
Dito naglalaro ko ah.
Ten seconds to shoot.
Oh,
9 seconds to shoot. 9 seconds. There's a foul, jersey number 29. First personal foul, second team foul. First try, no good. Tingnan natin ang pangalawa ni number 57. Pasok yan, 31-28. Nice defense by jersey number 25. There's a foul, jersey number 4, first personal foul, third team foul. First try is good.
patay.
Second try is good.
O, 2 minutes.
Losada. Nice move by Losada. Wala nga lang, sa kanya pa rin. Foul basket, foul jersey number 8. First personal foul, third team foul. Score 33-13 in favor of Nova Hawks. Bonus throw, wala. Number 25, 2 points. 35-30.
Salamat na ako.
Ha?
Foul jersey number 8, second personal foul, warning for penalty. Hooks, warning for penalty. 14 seconds shot clock, 14 seconds to shoot. Foul jersey number 13, warning for penalty. Both teams warning for penalty. Both teams. Foul, jersey number 5, penalty.
Parang wala na nangyari ah. Yung isang Alfonso, inuwi na Jordan. Yung kinuha yun pa. Nakasubot ka ba yun?
Kala ko inumin eh. Kaya kinuha ko eh.
Hugas lang ako. Hugas lang ako.
Puta. Puta, inaway.
Kumapayat na sila ako ba?
Pasok yan. Score 36-30.
Nakalit yan eh.
Walang kalaban?
Wala, sasadya na mag-isa. Hindi nila kaya, nakobad na yun.
Okay, back to the ball game for our third and final quarter.
Magalag dito siya ko, labis pa lang.
Ito na si number 8. Sino yun? Ito na si number 15. Nice pass. 2 points. 38-30. Walo lang yan. Ito na si Losada. Nice play. Di nga alam pumasok. Body to body. Basket yan. Foul. Jersey number 25. Third personal foul. First team foul. Grabe ang katawan sa katawan.
Down mo.
Ito na si number 20 to number 25. 2 points. 40-32. Losada, sinayawan, tumira. Foul, jersey number 20. Sub-tyrant, sub. First personal foul, second team foul. First try is good. 40-33. Tingnan natin ang pangalawa ni Mr. Losada. Pasok yan. 34-40. Ito na si number 20. Nice pass to Sir Rockwell. 2 points. Number 66 drives, but there's a foul. Jersey number 25. Apat ka na, boss. Fourth personal foul, third team foul. First try, no good. Grabe naman ang rebound ni number 25. Grabe naman ang rebound ni number 66. Foul, jersey number 15. First personal foul, running for penalty hooks. Running for penalty. No bahos. Ito na si number 8, the veterans. Number 8 ngayon, signaling the play to number 5. Libre-libre na yan. 14 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. 9 seconds to shoot, 9 seconds. Nice pass sana, nabitawan lang. There's a foul, jersey number 5. Second personal foul, first team foul. Number 57 to number 20. Nice pass to coach. Grabe naman ang rebound ni number 66. Ito na si Mr. Losada. Pass ball tayo. Who's foul rep? Number 57. Penalty tayo rep. Yes, pasok. First personal foul pa lang yun. Pasok. First try, no good. What a big rebound by number 25. Ito na si number 4. Number 4. Nice move, but there's a foul. Jersey number 8. Second personal foul, second team foul. Okay, down pa daw tayo. Rebound by number 04 to number 8, the veterans. Ito na si number 8. Number 8. Nice move. Wala nga lang. Pass break to number 04. Nice pass to number 20. 44-34. To number 29. 2 points. 44-36. Mahaba pa yan. 3 minutes and 50 seconds. Nice pass. Ito na sa number 66. Still in number 66. Nice move by number 66. 2 points. 44-38. Ten seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Number 4 for 3. Ito na si number 66. Side step, 2 points. Number 66. 47-40. Fourteen seconds to shoot. There's a foul, jersey number 4. Time out! Lakay, assassin. Penalty tayo, rep. Penalty tayo, rep, ha? Okay, back to the ball game. Losada. Tignan natin ang dalawang pagbubuslo ni Mr. Losada. First try is good. 47-41. Tignan natin ang pangalawa ni Mr. Losada. Wale. There's a foul, jersey number 29. Second personal foul. 13 foul. 14 seconds to shoot.
Kapit!
10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot.
Tagal naman ng 5 seconds na yun.
Okay, violation na tayo.
Tagal ng 5 seconds na yun eh.
No basket. Number 4, Wale. Subtirap, warning for penalty. Lakay Assassin, warning for penalty. Second personal foul on you, number 4, warning for penalty. Ano yung rap? At 3 seconds violation. Grabe naman ang ating mga referees.
Isang pa, pasok. Yung isang pa nasa labas, at saka loob eh.
Ito na, number 8, the veterans. Nice pass to number 29, Wale. Still, counter still in number 4. Exactly 1 minute.
Kapit na! 1 minute na lang eh.
14 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. 2 points. Time out! Lakay Assassin. Balik sa 8, 33 seconds.
Ilang Alfonso yun? Kanim?
Back to the ball game.
Tapos ilang beer?
4.
4 na beer, 6 na Alfonso.
5 pitchel.
5 beer tapos 6 na Alfonso.
Yung 8.
8?
8. Kasi yung dalawang
23 seconds. 14 seconds shot clock. 14 seconds to shoot.
yung isang pitchel, isang Alfonso yun.
Losada, 2 points.
Yung isang Nestle, isang Alfonso yun.
Makukubi kayo.
14 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Wale. 5 seconds. 2 points. That's the end of our ball game final score, 49-45. Congratulations, Team Hawks.
Okay na.
Tatra.